Hi guys, you are seeing Leo Legend and today we are going to discuss about how to install an app as a system app. So what next? Are you ready? Then let's go with it. Guys, here you need to have good concentration towards my words. And absolutely you need to have root for this process. It is so simple but needs little bit trick. So let's start the trick now. Install KingRoot if root is not available. Install the Lucky Patcher after your device roots. You can see the smiley icon over it. Now we'll open the app. You will notice tabs over bottom. Now click on Rebuild and Install section. And then open the APK file in which it is located. When we come to root, you should check the root that is properly installed or not. You can also check the root by Root Checker app. Now I am using an example ludoking.apk file. You cannot see install as a system app option whether if your device does not root or root is unavailable. This app hides the option if root is not available. Click on yes to install the app as a system app and then wait for a few minutes. After the install, if you do not like this app as a system app, you can uninstall it from KingRoot. Now I will skip the step so that it makes us faster. Now it has done in installing the app, you must reboot your device to apply changes. Screen record is not possible over restarting process. So we will directly launch the video after device reboots. Now it has been successfully completed the reboot process. Let's see how the app is installed. The uninstall option is not shown over Ludo King's app. So you can notice that the app is installed as a system app. Let's launch the app whether it is working correctly or not. Now you can see that it truly works. Let's see how the app performs. We have again given the Lucky Patcher APK download link file in the description. So the app is working well. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Give us some feedback over comment box. You can even follow us on Facebook, Facebook/LeoLegend.